Hello there, I'm Chef Johnny, the 2023 Ultimate Beef Loving Texan. Today I've got some great Texas beef for you. It's a new ranch that has sent me some meat, and this is Mesquite Country Beef. They're up in Groesbeck, Texas. It's gonna be the first time I've tried it. This is a nice 3/4 pound beef sirloin steak. A little thinner cut than some of the ribeyes and stuff I've been showing y'all I've been cooking. This is a thinner steak. So I'm gonna show you today how to sear off a thinner steak and not cook it all the way through to that well done. We want to still keep it medium rare to medium. We're going to go out there, we're going to sear it quickly, we're going to get it back off, and I bet you it's a really good steak. So let me season it up lightly with a little salt, pepper, garlic. Then we're going to get outside and see if we can sear this on our kettle grill. Guys, these came in packaged very well. Now it is wintertime, not like what I got all those steaks in from the 6s this summer. It is cold, but it's vacuum sealed. It's a good looking steak. Lay it back down here and pat it dry a little bit. I see some marbling through it. I'm liking that. But we're gonna give this a try. See some flakes of fat running through it. Again, not real thick, but when it goes on the grill, scrunch it, right? That's gonna help it some. And we're gonna season it up lightly with some SPG. I wanna taste their beef. I wanna see how it tastes, see how this Mesquite Country Beef is. But we're gonna shake on some SPG from Cosmos. Guys, I am a salt and pepper guy on a steak anyway, so I never season them a whole lot. Although Cosmos has some great rubs. Their Dirty Bird's pretty good on steak. But also their Texas beef and different things like that. But that's what it looks like. I'm gonna let this sweat out a little bit. We're gonna go check the grill, and if it's hot enough, we're gonna get this on there and sear it quickly. So let's go outside, see if we can get this on the fire. Grill's running close to 500 degrees, so it's not gonna take long. I got my grill grates on there. They're good and hot, so we're gonna get some nice grill marks on this sirloin, and then we are going to get it inside, let it rest, and we'll slice it up for you. But let's get that off of there, Joseph, and we're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna put this on here at 10 o'clock. All right, this was a clock, that was 12. Right now, it's facing 10. I'm gonna go about 60 seconds. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go from 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock, right? So, here we go, up and over. You can tell this part that's right over the fire is a whole lot hotter. I'm gonna go another 60 seconds. Okay, another 60 seconds. I'm gonna go back to 2 o'clock. I'm gonna move it over so we get a little hotter spot in the grill. Don't go quite back in the same spot. We're going 60 seconds here. There we go, another 60 seconds. We're gonna turn it. And this time we're going back to 10 o'clock, right? 12 o'clock's up here. Oh yeah, starting to get some nice hatch marks on it. These grill grates do good for that. Can handle it if it was a little bit hotter up here, but it's gonna be all right. We just finished our last 60 seconds, so we're 4 minutes in on this sirloin. Let's check it real quick. About 107, so it can go up a few more degrees before I pull it. 105 up there. Gonna let it go, and we're gonna gain another 7, 8, 9, 10 degrees. Then we'll get it off. If we want to cover it, happen a little bit faster, right? I think I'm going to bring it over here and just lay it down. Just let it finish cooking. Put the lid back on there, check it in about 3 minutes. We've got it, we're up to about 122, depends on where you check on here, 121, 124. Gonna pull it off, let it rest for 10 minutes, then we're gonna check it, see how good it turned out. Our 10 minutes rest is over. We're gonna slice this up, see how it turned out. And guys, you know, it's kind of tricky sometimes to get a well-cooked thin steak. So we're gonna see how this turned out. Let's open it up. I think that looks pretty good, if I do say so myself. Still nice, pink on the inside. Let's take this, we're gonna slice it a little bit here. See how it turns out. It's looking pretty. It's got great smoke on it. I'm liking that. Nice looking steak. It's good and tender. I bet you it's gonna taste wonderful also. That Cosmos SPG on it. another great Texas ranch raising fantastic Texas beef that we're gonna try. Nothing wrong with that at all. It's got nice beefy flavor, some nice smoke from that oak we had out there with the charcoal. And again, salt, pepper, garlic from Cosmos. Tremendous meal. I give this one a big thumbs up. I think this will make a great breakfast steak. Steak and eggs. I like that one really good. Do it that way on the Blackstone griddle maybe. I think that would work good. But hey, first time for me to try their meat. Thank them for sending out some to me so I give it a try. But I'm liking it, and you know I like my Texas beef. And if you want to get some of my recipes, go check out all my playlists. Got a lot of different things down there. You can also find some of my recipes now at beeflovingtexans.com at the Texas Beef Council. And you can see those videos where I won the Ultimate Beef Loving Texan Championship. So thank you for stopping by. I always appreciate it. Gonna let my guys get back here and give this a try. And we're going to see y'all down the road on Texas-style barbecue and cuisine. So long, everybody.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.